Hey guys, I'm your pharmacist Sidra and you are watching Ask Your Pharmacist. If you or someone you know suffer from sciatica pain, then I know exactly how devastating this pain is. Because I've had suffered from this terrible pain. I'm gonna give you some medication and non-medication options, some really easy stretch exercises that you can do in the comfort of your home and get relief from sciatica pain. I personally do these stretches all the time, even now when I am fully recovered, because I feel it helps me keep the pressure off my sciatica nerve. And when I had sciatica pain, these stretches worked great for me, even though I had a really severe case of sciatica. But you always want to check with your doctor or physical therapist to make sure if these stretches are right for you. Because I'm just sharing my knowledge, being a pharmacist and my personal experience. I'm not giving a medical advice, and my information, of course, does not substitute a visit to your doctor's office. Okay, so first things first, it's very important that any exercise you do in the sciatica pain, be it the one I'm going to show you or any other, make sure it does not increase your pain, especially your leg pain. It should rather make you really comfortable, a stretch, and it should kind of make you feel good. And if it hurts, then you should not do that exercise, okay? All right, let's go then. Oh, but wait. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because in addition to stretches, I'm gonna tell you a few other things that you can do to get relief from sciatica pain. Okay, so here we go. Follow along to my favorite stretch exercises that help relieve my sciatica pain and hopefully yours as well. Hey guys, so here are my few favorite stretches. You don't have to do them on floor. You can do it on the couch or bed if you have hard time getting on the floor. But for balance, it might be a little bit more comfortable to do on a firm surface. Okay, so this first stretch, I'm gonna be laying on the floor with the knees popped up. And then I'm gonna bring my right knee up towards my chest, hands underneath the thigh here. And I'm gonna bring my knee as far as I can towards my chest. You can also bring your toes towards you for extra stretch. This is really working that sciatica nerve. Now count up to 10 and then release. Don't do more than 10 because the sciatica nerve can get irritated quickly, and make sure it's a good stretch. It's not painful. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna do a hamstring stretch. I'm gonna bring my right leg up. It's gonna take some really good flexibility. So in the beginning, you can use a stretch strap. If you don't have a stretch strap, no worries. You don't have to get fancy. Just get a belt or a jump rope, whatever you have. And see, my leg is straight all the way up over here. That's the goal. If you bend your knee, you get out of the stretch. So make sure it's straight all the way and you stay in this position for about 30 seconds. Now, don't forget to get some nice deep breathing in there. It's gonna help relax these muscles. Next, I'm gonna bring my leg to the side and stretch the back of my leg. Okay, so next up is my favorite kind of exercise. This is the planks. They are hard in the beginning, so start with 15 seconds. But the planks are great for your core muscles. They can actually seriously boost your fitness levels as they can target multiple muscle groups, especially your core ones. And see, it's super easy and super fun because you're just stationary at one position. See, this is going to strengthen your back, your pelvis, your buttocks, and your core. And that's actually going to help support your spine. Alright, so for this stretch, I'm gonna cross my leg just like that and pull the leg towards the chest and hold it right there. It's gonna give a nice stretch in the back of your leg. Now we're gonna go in the bridge position. Just lift your back up off the floor and stay in that position for at least 20 seconds. You're working on that core and your back. You're gonna strengthen that up. All right, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey guys, I hope you were able to follow my stretch exercises with me and already felt good. Now remember, if you have sciatica pain, it's very important to get proper diagnosis and tests like X-ray, CT scan or MRI to find out the root cause of the pain. Because once your doctor identifies the root cause, the treatment can be done accordingly. And once you've done all that, you've gone to the doctor, gotten your tests done and everything, there are few other things that you can do to get relief from the pain. Apply heat or ice for about 20 minutes every 2 hours. Ice can actually help reduce inflammation, while heat encourages the blood flow to the painful area, which actually speeds the healing. Now, heat and ice can also ease out painful muscle spasms that often accompany sciatica. You probably may have to experiment with heat and ice both and see which one provides more relief, or just alternate between the two. For me personally, heat provided a lot of relief. I normally used to have a heating pad or the heating blanket wrapped on my leg all night, and that really helped me get through my night without any extreme pain. Secondly, you also have the option of using over-the-counter pain medications like Tylenol or Motrin or Aleve. I sometimes used 600 milligrams of Motrin as it helps with swelling in my leg and foot because of the sciatica pain. And I recommend you always check with your doctor or pharmacist even before taking over-the-counter medications because of some side effects and interactions. Like Motrin is not recommended in people with heart or kidney issues, and Tylenol is not recommended in people with liver issues. So always check with your doctor or pharmacist. Okay, so even being a pharmacist, I am not a big fan of using medications. So I like to use other options, like my favorite one is use an Epsom salt bath. Epsom salt actually greatly helps to relax muscles, and it naturally draws out harmful toxins from the body. And as far as sciatica is concerned, it helps with relaxing the muscles, and it's proven to be pretty helpful. It did help with my pain, and hopefully it will help relax your muscles and provide some temporary relief from sciatica. Okay, so next up is stay active. Now, this is extremely important whether you have injury or not. So when sciatica is healing, try to remain active. Motion can actually help reduce inflammation and pain. So maybe practice yoga, do some stretches, as it helps stabilize the area and strengthens your core. So really, remember, depending on your medical condition, certain exercises may not be recommended, but really do stretch. I cannot emphasize enough on that. Unless stretching makes your pain worse, then you don't have to stretch, but otherwise stretching is really good. Like for me, I often stretch even standing at my work desk. You can actually check with your doctor or physical therapist and get your unique stretches fit for your health condition. And lastly, you can also find relief by getting a body massage, acupuncture, and a chiropractic adjustment can also help for some people. But if you are like me and nothing worked for you, then surgery is probably your last resort. Like if your sciatica pain is due to herniated disc and it's causing severe pain after 4 to 6 weeks, then surgery may be a good option for you. The surgeon will of course discuss the benefits versus risk associated with the surgery. But what happens is through surgery, they're gonna remove a portion of the herniated disc to relieve the pressure on the sciatica nerve. Yeah, and surgery is pretty effective. About 90% of patients do get relief from this type of surgery. Alright, so that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about my personal experience with sciatica pain, then click on this video right here. Or you can also check the link in the description. This video is really close to my heart because I have been never so candid with you guys. I actually really did express the emotional roller coaster I went through while I was in sciatica pain. So if you are one of those who is suffering from sciatica pain, I can really feel you because I've been there, I've done that, and I know it's not a good place to be. But you know what? Don't give up. Watch this video. I hope you will get inspiration and motivation to fight through the problem. And I hope that really helps you and motivates you to get back towards the journey of health and wellness. And for the rest of you, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. Like always, feel free to hop into the comment section and start typing your questions or suggestions, as I love to read your comments. All right, hurry up now, because writing comments will take some time and I am impatiently waiting and excited to see what you have to say. Talk to you in the comment section. Bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe now to stay up to date on new videos on health and pharmacy.